This Select Realty property video is presented by Annette Kamek. This remarkable split-level home, set on 3.69 acres of natural beauty, complete with a basement, enclosed porch, wheelchair-accessible ramp, and abundant wildlife, including frequent deer sightings. This home combines accessibility, aesthetics, and a connection to nature, making it a versatile and inclusive living space. The enclosed porch allows you to enjoy the outdoors in any weather, and the wheelchair-accessible ramp ensures everyone can access all areas of the property. The serene acreage with a meandering stream and a rich wildlife presence create a unique, tranquil living experience. This property is not just a house, it's a harmonious sanctuary where modern living meets the wonders of the natural world. This property is a must-see in person. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Kamek at 479-394-7676.